I've been experimenting with axe sheath designs. Here's one that's woven. During winter, I found that partially dead birch trees have good bark to harvest. First thing to notice is the grain direction, and it's best to fold the bark in a direction perpendicular to the grain. Here you can see where I folded. So this design is pretty simple. First I'll show you how I make the folds. So I start by scoring the bark perpendicular to the grain direction. This is not cutting all the way through the bark, maybe half of the bark thickness. And I fold back and forth pretty carefully. So the main design is really how you see it here. The white rectangle is the piece that I started with. And then I made through cuts as seen with the black lines. And the red lines is where I scored and folded. But you can start with the bigger rectangle as you see here. I'll show this additional feature at the end of the video. So you make the folds as you see here, and that's really it for the folds. Then you can make a cut gently. After that, you can cut out a little section, sort of like a pin, that will go into the hole you just made. This hole and pin connection was inspired by this photo. And here's the extra part that can further prevent the sheath from coming off.